Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by positioning the recorder where the ghost moves most, usually 1 to 2 meters from entry points. Make sure the device is powered and set to medium sensitivity so you capture whispers without constant noise. Once done, confirm the HUD shows the recorder is active. This prevents wasted time. You should leave a flashlight but close the distance carefully because proximity improves EVP capture. Make small adjustments and remember, a stable placement makes later analysis far easier. You now focus on provoking responses. Ask short, direct questions with 3 to 5 seconds between them so the recorder isolates replies. Move or interact with the environment, open doors, toggle lights to encourage vocalization. Once you see audio peaks on the recorder or game meter, pause and repeat the question to verify consistency. This confirms the EVPs are reactive rather than ambient noise. Make sure to note timestamps in your head or on paper, because those mark. You finish by heading back to the truck and playing recordings straight away. Listen for repeatable phrases, then mark and save confirmed clips. If files are noisy or empty, adjust sensitivity or move the recorder closer and try again. Using 2 devices can provide redundancy and clarity. Make sure to remove obvious background noises before testing, because fans or radios mask EVPs. If nothing triggers, recheck power, reposition, and repeat the short question method. Persistence often yields results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.